So I didn't film the process, obviously, but short block is in the frame now. So my next step, I'm going to put the blower on. I've ordered my push rods. I'm just going to put the valve covers on to keep it sealed for now, and I can just start hooking everything up, wiring, fuel, you name it, all the accessories. So yeah, lots to do here still, but I'll keep going after it. Well, that's just about everything done. I've got my headers wrapped here. Wire's kind of loose right now, but my fuel system's hooked up, transmission, all that good stuff. So, just waiting on my push rods, and then I can put my rocker arms in, tighten up the valve covers for the last time, and then put the rest of the front end on, and should be ready to test. Well, I've basically got everything buttoned up here. Obviously, still waiting for push rods so I can put rockers in and play with the thing, but my engine oil cooler's in. That's my heat exchanger for the blower. So I've still got to plumb that into the blower and build my ice box. So I think that'll be my next project, to tackle the ice box and get that cooling system plumbed in. I've got to finish the wiring for it as well. And then, yeah, push rods should be here next week. So get those put in, and then it'll be just up to tuning it, I guess. So I think that's about all I'm going to do for now. Thanks for stopping by the channel and watching my video. I appreciate it, and we'll catch you next time.